of the exercises I will send you today.
Ma'am,
Okay?
you, ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Ishant, बोलो.
ma'am,
Yes, Ishant, बोलो. बोलो.
मैम वो वाला एक्सरसाइजेस आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड करते हो?
हाँ, मैं एक्सरसाइज कराने के बाद आपको व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करूंगी. ठीक है? ओके.
हम लोग को आप अभी
क्लास के बाद प्लीज, ये डिस्कशन क्लास के बाद आप ये बाद में लास्ट में
मैम
करेंगे. आई विल
मैम
सेंड यू द एक्सरसाइजेज इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके? सॉरी.
रेमेडियल क्लास कब होता?
रेमेडियल क्लास वो आपको जिसका होगा वो बता देंगे. अभी अभी रेमेडियल नहीं है. डोंट थिंक अबाउट रेमेडियल राइट नाउ.
हाँ मैम।
सो रेवंत, रेवंत है. रेवंत, where is Revant? He joined. Revant, please join with your new
मैम
ID.
Ma'am,
Don't. Yesterday also you were with this ID. Please join with
ma-
your IDs. Okay.
ma'am, mm, ma'am, we are not getting new code, ma'am.
New.
In
Please
ID.
ask Ankush sir. He would have given you the ID and the password. Contact Ankush sir. Ask Ankush sir.
मैम
Stephen, join
Ma'am,
ID. Sorry.
ma'am, we are getting in the mobile, ma'am.
Sorry.
We are getting in the mobile, but we are not getting in the computer, ma'am.
In the computer, you just have to do the same process as you are doing in the mobile phones. Go to the add another account option. In the Google page, go to add an email, go to add another account option, and then add your new Gmail ID. And in password, you have to first write the password word only, PASSWORD. And then clicking on next, it will ask you to create your own password. Then create your own password and click it OK. Your Gmail account will be activated. Okay. Do these steps. If you face
Ma'am, we
problem,
are done. Ma'am, we are done same,
मैम
ma'am, but it
रेमेडियल
is
क्लास होता है?
sorry. Okay, I'll tell you this after the class. Let me continue with the class. Ishant, don't talk about remedial here now. Remedial में आप join करना, आपको पता चलेगा क्या होता है. ठीक है? Please don't unmute now. Okay, so let me start with the chapter now. Already 10 minutes are over here. Okay?
होते मैम।
Don't unmute. Ishant, Ishant, don't unmute. Rushda, mute yourself. Okay, so these are the three new words which I have given you yesterday only. Soaked, this means completely wet. Soaked means completely wet. Second is shower, bath in which sprayed, bath in which water is sprayed from above. So this you mean by shower, you would have seen in your home also. Wept, shed tears or cry. To cry. Wept means to cry or to shed tears. Okay. Next is first question. Let's read first question. According to the poet, should you cry a little or should you cry a lot? So first question, I will take the names that only will answer. Okay. First will be answered by G Shrinika. G Shrinika,
यस मैम।
answer the first one. According to the poet, you should cry a little or you should cry a lot.
मैम लॉट।
Yes, according good.
लॉट
According to the
मैम।
poet, you should cry a lot because in first line it is written crying little is of no use. So poet is saying you should cry a lot. Okay, good. Next, what can you do after crying a lot? Next will be answered by Jendra. Jendra, yes. What can you do after crying a lot? From the poem, go out and play. See from the poem. Don't answer like this. What is written in the poem? After crying, what should you do?
Ma'am,
Yes,
you can take a
Ma'am, you can take a
bath.
I want
You
to
can.
tell.
after crying a
Ma'am,
lot.
you can take a bath after crying.
Yes, after crying a lot, you can take a bath. You have seen in the poem it is written, just jump in the shower and do splash, 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 right? So it was written in the poem, just jump in the shower and do splash, splash, splash. So after crying a lot, you should take a bath. Take
Lot
a
bath after bath
I
crying.
want to tell.
After bath, you can open your window and say ha ha ha. So you can open the window and you can show your mood that you are very happy. Okay. So the answer is after crying a lot, you should take a bath. Next, read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood happy, sad, angry, jealous, upset?
Ma'am,
The
sad.
first, who will answer this? Rohita? Rohita?
Ma'am,
Rohita?
Ma'am is there, ma'am.
Rohita is here, na?
I want to
Rohita,
answer.
who will answer?
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am Ishant.
Ma'am, Tejas.
Ishant.
Ma'am, I
Ruko,
want.
ruko.
Ma'am.
Sad, cheerful, ma'am.
Sad. Who is okay? Answer. Tejas, answer this. What is the mood of the
Ma'am,
after after crying? Read the first two
sad,
lines of the read the
sad
first two
and
lines.
angry.
Sad
Sad
or
and happy.
no? For only this one you have to answer. Read the first
Ma'am,
two lines and
sad and cheerful, ma'am.
sad and cheerful.
Cheerful,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, cheerful is the next answer. Don't say looking at the answer. Don't say. Please see the
Ma'am,
question. First
ma'am,
one
it's
is read the first two
happy.
lines.
Happy. Ma'am, Navaneet, ma'am.
No, Navneet, yes, answer this. Read
Sad and
the
upset.
sad and upset. Yes. See, your question, third one, you have to answer only first part. First part only you have to answer. So in first part, you will see read the first two lines of the poem. Is the mood happy, sad, angry, jealous, upset? From first two lines only you have to tell. Don't give another answer. Cheerful is answer is to the next question. This one. Okay. So just give the first part answer. The first part answer is sad. Okay. Am I clear? Second is in last few lines the mood of the poet has changed. In first two lines the mood of the poet was very sad, but in the last two lines the mood of the poet has changed. What is it now? Tell me. Now what is the mood of the poet in last two lines?
Ma'am Akshara, ma'am. Ma'am
Akshara?
Srija.
Navaneet, ma'am.
I'll ask Rija. Okay.
Ma'am Akshara.
Akshara,
Yes, ma'am.
ask
Ma'am
answer this.
very
Ask
happy. Ma'am very happy, ma'am.
very happy or cheerful, both you can say. Okay. So in
Okay,
last
sorry
two
to
lines,
disturb you. Sorry to disturb you. B Harshita is there.
B
B Harsh.
Harshita is here. Yes, she is with the another ID.
Okay, okay.
She joined. I think she joined. Now she's not. No, no, no. She left. She joined first, but now she left. I have written her name. She's not present now. Akshay, Ananya. She was with Bannapuram. Something ID was there. She was with. Now she has left.
Continue.
Okay. Okay. So next, are these now the fourth question is, are these sentences right or wrong? You have to tell me right or wrong. So first one will be answered by Srija. The poet says you must not cry much. It is right or wrong? Srija,
Yes.
the poet says you
Ma'am
must
wrong.
not. Yes, this is wrong. The poet is saying you should cry a lot. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so this you can write as false. Somebody is joining. Wait. Nandu Singh. Nandu Singh.
Ma'am.
I will admit her and then I'll say. Kirtana is this? Kirtana?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is she? Jan. Kirtana, this is fifth A class. Kirtana, can you hear me?
Yes,
Kirtana,
ma'am. Sorry,
this
ma'am.
is 5th A class. Your class will be at 11. Okay. Then in 11 you join. Okay. Next. Next will be answered by Fiona. Fiona. Second part. The poet says that you should cry till your pillow is soaked. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Yeah.
True, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am only
Fiona,
telling.
you are not audible. Fiona.
Ma'am, first I only tell ma'am.
Ishant, you have given the answer. Let me give chance to everyone. Fiona, is it true or false? You are not audible. Please keep your mic in front of you while speaking. True. So this one is true. Yes. Next, third part. This will be answered by Ananya.
Ma'am,
Ananya.
Ishan.
Ananya. The poet says that after crying, you should open the window and laugh so that people will see that you are happy. This is true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Ananya? Ananya, yes, this is true. So poet is saying after crying, you should open your window and laugh so that
Ma'am,
people
this side.
see that you are happy. Next, Ishant.
Yes,
Ishant,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
answer the fourth one. The
Ma'am,
poet says that you should open the window
ma'am,
and
false.
show people that you are crying.
Ma'am, false.
False. So poet is saying you should open the window and show that you are very happy. Okay.
ma'am.
Next page.
Yeah, I जीत गया.
Let's talk now. Please mute yourself. Who is this? I will. Hashmita, mute. Don't open your mics. Varun. Okay, next is let's talk. These are some creative questions. I will send this worksheet also in the group. 5th to 5th B, I have already given these questions. 5th A, today I'll give to you. Okay. First question is, where do you cry? What are the things that make you cry? So first answer, this will be given by Dhruvika. Dhruvika,
Yes, ma'am.
answer this first one with your own answer. You have to give your own answer. Where do you cry and what are the things that make you cry?
I cry in my home.
For what?
When my
what?
mother scolds me, it makes me cry.
Okay, good. This will, when mother scolds, then she cries. Next, this one again, I will. Okay, Vibha will answer now. Vibha, when mother scolds, you feel like crying. Vibha is here. Vibha, Vibha, can you hear me?
Ma'am, Vibha is there, ma'am.
Vibha,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
and who is this? Good morning.
Ma'am,
Likhitej.
Likhitej, ma'am.
Okay, Likhitej. Good morning, Likhitej. Good morning. Vibha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Vibha, okay, answer this one. Where do you cry and what are the things that make you cry? What are the things that make you cry? For what things do you cry?
Someone scold me.
Someone scolds, okay. This was already Dhruvika's answer. Anything change? Any change? When someone scolds you, you cry. Sorry? When you get
Ma'am,
when you get hurt. When you get hurt, you
can I answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
I'll ask one by one. Okay, next is Praharshita.
ma'am, hospital.
Praharshita.
Yes, ma'am. Am I
Okay, tell me. Yes, you are audible. Tell me, when do you cry?
Ma'am,
What are the things that make you cry?
if, ma'am, if I get scolded by somebody.
If you get scolded by somebody, the okay. The same when mother or father, your parents, somebody scolds you to make you cry. What? Okay. So
Ma'am,
next,
Ma'am, Ishant.
Ishant, your turn is over. Tejas.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas. Okay, answer. When do you cry?
Ma'am, I cry when somebody hits us.
Somebody hits
Hits
you.
us.
So you are saying when somebody hits you, you cry. Okay. When you fight with somebody, you are saying. When there is some
Yeah,
fighting,
that
then you
only
cry.
means.
Okay. Good. Next, Reshma.
Ma'am,
Reshma.
Reshma is there.
Reshma, can you hear me? Reshma.
Ma'am, who is this Vijaya Lakshmi?
Ma'am, Reshma is there.
Kritika. Kritika. She's Kritika. Okay. Likhitej. Likhitej, can you hear me? Likhitej.
Yes, ma'am.
Likhitej, tell me, where do you cry and what are the things that make you cry? What are the things that make you cry? Likhitej. Likhitej, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so tell me, आप कब रोते हो? What are the things? किस चीज के लिए रोते हो? कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जिससे आपको रोना आता है? What are the things that make you cry? लिखितेज,
Ma'am,
सॉरी, क्या आवाज?
ma'am, I will tell.
गिफ्ट?
Gift.
गिफ्ट क्या होता है? What is gift?
Ma'am, it's telling gift.
What is gift? Let him answer. Let him answer. He will
Ma'am,
answer.
gift.
Ma'am, I want to answer, ma'am.
Ma'am is telling skipped.
Skipped. Oh, when you get skip. Okay. Slip.
Ma'am is telling
I
skipped,
think he's saying slip. When you get some hurt or something, he's saying. I think.
Yes,
When you
ma'am.
get slipped,
Telling
he's
slip.
saying slipped. Yes. When you get slipped down or something hurt you get, then you cry. Okay.
Ma'am, I will tell.
Next, who is saying this?
Really support.
Revant. Next is Revant. Revant.
Yes, ma'am. I'm irrelevant.
Ma'am,
Revant. When do you? What are the things that make you cry?
ma'am, when something emotional song will come means I will cry, ma'am.
Oh, very good. When you come in, when you encounter any emotional song, you cry. So this
Yes,
is good.
ma'am.
Emotional.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Okay. So next, I'll go to the next question. Can you
Ma'am,
cry? Can
Robinson.
you cry when you are happy? Can you cry when you are happy? Akshara. Akshara हो गया ना? Akshaya.
Ma'am, Akshay is there, ma'am.
Akshaya. Can you hear
Ma'am,
me?
can
Akshaya.
I? Ma'am, can I?
Akshaya. One by one. Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am.
So answer this one. Can you cry when you are happy?
No, ma'am.
No. Is there someone who cries when you are happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
sometimes you can
Revant,
say
ma'am.
yes.
Mamadi
Re-
Revant.
Yes, Revant. Do you cry when you are happy?
Yes, ma'am. When I will so much happy, we
Some
will
tears
cry,
come
no,
to your
ma'am.
eyes. Yes.
Yes.
When you are very much happy, when you are very much happy, some tears come down and you call them, these are happiness tears, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, they call tears of happiness.
Tears of
ma'am.
happiness or anything. So sometimes we cry, but mostly we don't cry when we are happy. It is because when you get very much, you get something which you want with full dedication. When you get that thing or that thing
Ma'am.
happens, then you cry. Okay. Third question. What are the things that make you happy? In what ways do you
Ma'am,
show
sound
your
is not
happiness?
coming.
What are the things that make you happy and in what way
Ma'am,
you show? Ishant, mute yourself. I will call your name for the answering. Okay, this will be answered by Varun. Varun,
ma'am, I will answer the question.
Varun, Varun is here.
Yes.
Varun,
Yes, ma'am.
Varun, answer this. What are the things that
Yes,
make
ma'am.
you happy? See the third question. What are the things that make you happy?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, which are the things, ma'am?
Oh, sorry. Which are the things that make you happy? In what ways do you show your happiness?
एक्टिविटी
Sorry?
हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं मैम.
हाँ, हिंदी में बोलो. पर इंग्लिश क्लास है, इंग्लिश में ट्राई करो. दिस इज इंग्लिश क्लास, so try to speak in English. Okay, बोलो.
मैम एक्टिविटी करने
Okay, when you do some kind of activity, you're saying this. When you do some kind of activity, so you
मैम
get very
इसका सेंड कितना
happy. You are you
Ma'am,
get
I
happy.
answered in the chat
Ma'am,
box.
when my father gets something for me,
Or,
that
yes,
was
Indika is when you get something,
का स्ट्रेंथ
you
कितना
get
है?
happy. Why these are chats in uh my mic is not working. Okay, no issue. Please don't chat in the chat box. Varun, mute yourself. Okay. Next Vishishta. Vishishta,
yes, ma'am.
tell me what are the things that make you happy?
Ma'am, if I get a new dog pet or if I get a new dress or
New
a
dress,
toy.
new dress, toy or a pet you were saying. Okay. Then you happy. In what ways do you show your happiness? How do you show that you are happy? When you get all these
I jump up and down.
jump up and down.
Ma'am,
Good.
there is no chat in the chat box. There is no chat.
I have cleared it, so that's why it's not there, na? Okay, so new dress, gifting, and then you jump up and down, and this way you show your happiness. Next, Sujita. Sujita,
Yes, ma'am.
answer this. What are the things that make you happy?
When
What
I'm
you show happiness?
in birthday, ma'am.
Birthday, yes, very good. When you go to birthdays or any parties, you feel very happy. In birthdays, how do you show your happiness? In birthdays, how do you show your happiness?
Ma'am, we are cutting the cake.
Cutting cake, dancing, singing, all these things you are doing. So in this way, you are showing your happiness. Okay. Next,
Ma'am, what is the strength of
Hashvita.
fifth class?
Hashvita. Hashvita is here.
Ma'am, what is the 50th strength class?
Ishant, please don't ask questions now. Let me complete, then you can ask your doubts. Okay. Hashvita, is she present?
Ma'am, Ashita is there, ma'am.
Hashvita.
Yes, ma'am, there.
मैम अश्विता एच में है मैम, देखो एक बार.
Hashvita, can you hear me?
मैम एच में है, देखो मैम उसको.
Hashvita.
मैम जेंद्रा के ऊपर.
अश्विता are you here?
But she's not listening. That's why we
Ma'am,
tell you
there,
to sit
ma'am,
with
Ashwita is
open
there.
cameras. That's why I tell you to sit with open cameras so that I come to know what are you doing at presently in the class. See, I can see others they are sitting, but where is Hashvita is not visible. Ishant, open your camera. Ishant, open your camera. Sit with open camera. Ishant, nobody will keep themselves off. Okay, sit with open camera. Okay, she's not here. Next, I'll ask from. Okay. Who is left now? Likhite, Shrija. Okay, let's start with Shrija.
Yes ma'am.
Shrija, what are the things that make you happy?
Ma'am, when
What
ma'am,
ways
ma'am,
happiness?
when I am reading storybooks.
Storybooks, very good. When you get storybooks or you read storybooks, you feel happy.
Okay ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay, next is topic say aloud. So we are very less in time. So let me
Ma'am.
complete. Say aloud. These are rhyme. These are called rhyming words. What are
Ma'am,
rhyming
ma'am.
words? Ishant, please. What happened?
मैम
Yes.
आपने बुलाया क्या?
Ma'am, rhyming word means which it will come like.
Ashwita, open your camera and sit. Ishant, mute yourself. Hashwita, sit with
Ma'am,
open
your
camera.
voice is
And the
not
words
visible,
which
ma'am.
spell similar.
What are rhyming words? Words which have same
Ma'am.
sound at the end. Right.
Ma'am, rhyming word
Ma'am,
means
the similar
which
sounds.
sound it will come like sh, shed
Ah,
like that. SH,
SH.
Ma'am, the words which have the similar sounds.
CH like that,
Words
ma'am.
which have similar. Yes, good. Words which have
SH,
similar sounds. They are called rhyming words. For example, see dash, bash, splash, cash, trash. All these words have the similar sounds. Okay. In same way, wept, kept, crept, leapt, slept. All these words have the same sound in the ending. So
Yes,
words which have
ma'am.
same sounds, they are called rhyming words because they come like a rhyme. Okay.
Soaked,
Poked,
stroke,
proked, soaked,
joy.
strogged, joked. So this all are rhyming words. Okay, you can read it and you can write it. Now
Sad,
next is word building. Word building. There are some words in which we add s. For example, if you add
happiness,
happy plus ness, it will become
happiness.
Ma'am,
happy.
ice
But in this,
plus
why
ma'am,
will be
ice plus
omitted?
cream is equal to ice cream.
No, we are doing this NES words. Okay, NE double S. That are compound words. These are the words which are
Ma'am,
made by
unnecessary.
adding ness. So you have to write three words. So this
Ma'am, lesson.
Ma'am,
let
sadness.
me explain. Let me
Ma'am,
explain. If
lesson.
say I'll ask you, wait. This happiness is made from the word happy. See, happiness is ends with NES and it comes from the word happy. So happy plus ness is happiness. Okay. Now you have to give three words and you have to tell from which word it comes. So tell me the first word.
Ma'am,
You have to
lesson. Lesson.
sorry. Lesson.
Sad.
Lesson.
Lesson is wrong. What is
Ma'am,
the next word?
sadness.
Sad. Yes, very good. Sadness. SADNE double S sadness. So sadness is coming from the word. You are making it from the word
Ma'am,
sad.
cleanness.
Ma'am,
Cleanness.
cleanliness. That is cleanliness. You are writing with clean plus ness. That will become cleanliness. Okay. Next, clean plus s. That will become cleanliness. Li will be added there. Okay. Next word, cleanliness हो गया यहाँ पे clean.
Cryness. Ma'am, cryness. Ma'am, joyfulness.
Joyfulness. You can write fitness.
Happiness, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Fitness.
happiness.
Happiness is over. Happiness is already written. Next is
Ma'am,
fitness.
cryness.
Kindness is
Ma'am,
not a word.
sadness.
Kindness, politeness. You can write all these words.
Ma'am,
Kindness
fitness.
will come from fit. In
Ma'am,
the same way,
brightness.
you have to write 10 words in your notebook.
Kindness,
10
kindness.
kindness, politeness, sadness, fitness, happiness, cleanliness. All these end with NE double S. So you have to write 10 words in your notebook with this, which ends with ness and from which term it comes. Like sadness is coming from sad, cleanliness is coming from clean, fitness is coming from fit.
Ma'am,
So like this.
okay. Ma'am.
Okay. Next is let's write. You have to, there are some fill-ups in this and some feelings are there. You have to fill in the blanks with feeling word. Feeling word means happy, sad, amazed, shocked, worried. All these are called feeling words that express your feelings,
Okay, ma'am.
that tell
Ma'am,
us
tell
the
me.
feelings. So fill in the blanks with feeling words. First, the tourists were dashed to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. The tourists were
Ma'am, amazed.
amazed, shocked, or worried. Tourists were amazed. They will be, yes, amazed means surprised. Amazed means
ma'am.
surprised. So the tourists were surprised to see the beautiful Taj Mahal. Where is Taj Mahal? 50. Where is Taj Mahal?
Ma'am, in Delhi.
No, no, not in Delhi.
Agra.
No,
Hyderabad.
Agra.
Rajasthan.
Agra.
Ma'am, in Agra.
Agra.
Ma'am, Agra.
Taj
Ma'am, in
Mahal.
Agra.
Agra. Who built Taj Mahal?
Agra, ma'am.
Built it?
Shahjahan.
Shah Jahan. Yes. Shah Jahan. Very good. Who? Shah Jahan built this Taj Mahal.
Mahal.
And for and whose memory? किसकी
Mumtaz.
मेमोरी में बनाया था?
Mumtaz.
Mumtaz. Yes. Yes. Mumtaz's wife Mumtaz. Okay. So all these are small things that you will learn later. Okay.
Mumtaz.
The
Mumtaz.
light went out suddenly. I was alone and worried, shocked, or frightened. The lights went out suddenly. I was alone and which word you will write?
Ma'am,
Worried, frightened. You will
Ma'am, fitted.
write frightened. This is frightened.
Ma'am,
When the lights will go suddenly, you
Ma'am,
will feel
I will
frightened.
frighten. I will
frightened
scare.
means frightened means
Scare.
scared or afraid or fear. Okay, so when lights will go out, you will feel afraid. Okay,
Afraid.
next. He has been ill for a
ma'am,
long
time is
time. Please don't disturb. 1 minute is there now. He has been ill for a long time and his parents were
Unhappy.
unhappy, worried, and angry.
Unhappy.
He has been worried because when you are ill, when he has been ill for a long time, when you are ill, so your parents will be worried about you. Okay, they will, okay. Please
Godless.
mute yourself. Who is talking at the back? Who is talking at the
నోట్బుక్
back?
లో కూడా రాయొచ్చు అన్నది నోట్బుక్ లో.
I on three count mute yourself. Three. Revant, Akshaya, Prashita, Ananya, mute yourself. Everyone.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Why should it come from the back? Next. The shopkeeper was dashed when he saw his safe wide open with all his money missing. See, this is a shopkeeper and he's seeing his safe open. So he was
shocked, ma'am.
shocked. So he was very much shocked to see this.
See this the shop.
This is a creative writing. I'll give this question in homework part. Narrate an incident when you have experienced happiness, excitement, and surprise.
Ma'am,
You can use the following clues: with whom, what, when did it happen, why, and where. You have to write it yourself. Do this question. Do it yourself.
You will give in WhatsApp.
I'll give all the homework in WhatsApp. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, when
this,
class is over, then you put in WhatsApp first,
yes,
ma'am.
I will give in WhatsApp and then I will upload in your Google Classroom. Fifth A, I will upload in your Google Classroom. Go to your Google Classroom and check.
ma'am, second answer, ma'am. Ma'am, Shanda, seven doubt.
Okay, now the class is over. This
Ma'am.
chapter homework will be.
Ma'am.
Wait for 1 minute. Nobody will leave. Let me.
Ma'am, I will leave.
I'm just giving. I'm just picking up the names who are here. Akshaya, Bhavna, E. Shrinika. Where I have written it. B. Shrinika, Dhruvika. Who are else have left and who are here? Ishant, Fiona. Shweta, Likhitesh, then Vaishashank, Praharshita, Reshma, Revant. Please wait 1 minute. Rushda,
I will go.
Rushda, Shrija, Shrinika. This is G. Shrinika. Stephen. Ishant, don't present. Sujita. Tejas. Tejas is here. Okay. Varun, Vibha, Navneet, Vibha. Varun, Navneet and Vibha. Kritika and Vishishta. Okay. So from this, Rohita.
Fiona is also there.
Not here and Akshara.
Fiona, ma'am.
Fiona is here, na? Fiona is and Harshita is also. Students have left. Akshara, Rohita and Harshita. Rest who are present here. Rohita and Harshita have left the class. So at the end, those who are present, they will be only giving attendance. Okay? Students left the class. Class is over. Attendance is also over. One by one, if you have doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave.
Ma'am, bye.
Work will be given in the Google Classroom and in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we complete the work?